Hey guys, welcome back to my pregnancy album. I am kind of doing old stuff and the new kit for, well, it's about to be the old kit, but I got this paper from the May kit. These embellishments came from one of the kits, but it's all citrus twist anyway. And this is my little bean. If I'm not mistaken, she had her hand up over her head right there. These are her little leggies and feet. And then this is her, again, with her hand over her face there. So, anyway, I'm actually going Tuesday for another ultrasound, so I wanted to go ahead and get these done. Layering I did not think about, because... oh, you know what? I could do these, but then, let's see. That's cute. Let's see. I am regretting having put these in my purse all willy-nilly because now they are very curled. But they seem to straighten out okay once I get them on a piece of paper. So let's see. Will that fit? Oh yeah, okay, cool. So much for getting some of my old embellishments used. And I printed some more pictures out for, the album. So I'm ready to go. I am 5 months along though, so it feels like it's flying by, like most times things do, but I know I still have 4 months left. Anywho, did I? No, I did not. Okay. Well, we need to do that then, don't we? And I got up this, because today's Saturday. I got up, did my little Saturday cleaning, and I'm waiting on little baby to tell me what she wants to eat. She has not, been very particular lately, so it's been kind of hard figuring out what I want to eat. Oh, shoosk. I do remember these having to overlap, obviously, because they're pretty big pictures. Oh, shoot. No, flip it. Is that right? Yeah, it feels like it should go that way. Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. A little bit of cutting, but not much, actually. Cool beans. Just emptied my trash can, and now I'm filling it back up. Do you guys feel that way? Like when you just clean something and then you have to, something makes it dirty? Like doing my craft table, you know, now it's getting back dirty again, but what are you gonna do? Now I took fresh start out. Not sure I was going to use it, and I'm pretty sure I'm not at this point, because I don't know, I think it's too much. So You guys gotta go back in the bucket. I feel like I just need like some little embellishments now. Let's see what these corks say. Oh yeah, these are, I think I do love this. I don't know about, oh, here we go would be cute. But where? That's different to the side. And then I could do a love this down here. Just to have it in 2 different spots, maybe. Maybe not. It's there, so. Let's see about these epoxies. Right where I want to be. No, I don't think any of those are going to fit. I thought I had taken all these out already. Guess not. Oh, these are not. Oh, I was wondering why they were so thin filling. They're not. They don't have any adhesive on them. Here we go. Love this. Oh, I wish you were here. That's adorable. Yeah. Are these adhesive? No. Oopsie. Should I put a label behind this? Yes, we should. Oh, update's cute, and it's yellow. Okay, these didn't get all the way cut out. Oh. I think I'd be okay with these if they just came out right, but maybe they just didn't get pressed all the way through with the dye or something. Nonetheless, moving on. Alright, so I feel like this needs to come down a little bit. Let's hope it comes off. Without too much struggle. And one thing about these cork is if they do sort of kind of peel, like separate a little bit, they always go back together great. There's no huge upsetment there. Whoa, 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 come back here. Let's cut this off here. I totally did not take the right one out. Did you guys see that? Okay. How? Okay. I hate cutting with an X-Acto knife. I don't know. I just bought this one and it just, I don't know. It's all raggedy now. Let's see if there's a stamp in here. No. I could put more adventures. I don't think that'd be too big. This is all messed up now. Let's see if we can just trim it down. And of course, you know, I cut nothing straight. I'm so envious of Inky Quill because she cuts like everything straight all the time without even trying. And I'm over here struggling. Good enough. I guess I should probably go and cut all these out with an X-Acto knife when I'm not shaking from hunger. Alright guys. Well, let's see. I think we need some sprinkly bits. Ah, hold tight. Alright, so we sprinkled it up with some sequins from Spiggle Mom Scraps. These are called We Are Royals. Can I say whether she still has these? No. Am I going to check? No. If you want them, you can go look. Sorry if that seems rude. But, about to chill out and relax. Alright, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And don't forget to get some crafty time in. See you guys next time. Bye.